Katherine Kiogora. I'm a parent to Naito Kiogora. I'd love to say that I'm very grateful to ISK. This has given Naito an opportunity to see the vast world, to meet a different group of students. She's interacting with different children. She's more herself. She's joined the sports. She's enjoying basketball, which she joined in the other school, and currently practicing and enjoying it. The morning workout, my goodness. Oh, that has made us now have to wake up early, and it's something that has kept her running and going. I would encourage other parents to try out this. You don't have to know anybody. Go to the website, go to the adverts are out there, it's on Facebook, and you can get to just fill out the forms, follow the steps. They are quite straightforward, provide what is needed, and it's really a one of a lifetime opportunity. I believe with this opportunity, she'll be able to see the world and think out of the box. She will see things in a better, if I may say, a better way, comparing with our previous system and now the new system. So for me, that's it.